Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to withdraw money from BlockDAG X1 app. So first thing, you need to open BlockDAG X1 app on your phone and then connect to your account. After that, right now the coins you mine in the BlockDAG X1 app are not withdrawable yet. They are actually reserved, which means they are locked. So, if you can't withdraw, don't worry, there is nothing wrong with your account. And you did not miss any step. This is simply how the project works at this stage. You will need to wait until the official mainnet launch. Once the mainnet goes live, you will be able to claim your mined coins. The process will happen through the official BlockDAG website or their official wallet. You will just need to connect your account and move your coins into your personal wallet. Until then, the best thing you can do is keep mining daily using the app. All your coins are being tracked and saved, so nothing will be lost as long as you keep access to your account. After the mainnet launch, and once BlockDAG is listed on exchanges, you will be able to transfer your coins and then sell or trade them. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.